I'm hungry.
I'm
hungry. Everyone.
I'm hungry.
And I'm a whale.
I'm a whale.
I'm
hungry.
Yeah. What do whales eat?
Hamburger.
Do whales eat hamburgers?
No, pizza.
Whales?
Whales?
No. You guys, we're talking about whales, huh? Whales. Whales. What do whales eat?
Fish.
Fish. Maybe fish. Okay.
Tiny
fish. Yeah, good. Very close. Very close, Eddie. We have plankton. Okay, plankton. Good. Put it here. We have one of my favorites. They're a little small. They're pink. They are shrimps.
Shrimps.
Yes.
Shrimps.
Good job, Ben.
Shrimps.
Shrimp. Okay, shrimp. And another type of shrimp, it's even smaller. It's called krill. Okay, everyone? Krill. And some whales eat octopus.
Ooh, octopus.
And fish. Good, and fish. Okay. Do you remember our whales? We had what color whale?
Gray
whale. Good job, Andrea. Good.
The blue whale.
Good job. The
beluga whale.
The beluga whale. What color is the beluga whale?
White.
Yes, Ben. Double five.
And
the last one?
Humpback.
Yes, humpback. Excellent.
Yes.
Great job, guys. Okay, humpback. Okay, so we're going to be those whales, but what do they eat? What do they eat? Let's see. Who wants to be the blue whale?
Me. I want to be the blue whale.
Okay, Ben. Let's see. Let's find the blue whale. Oh, good knowledge. It is the biggest whale. Okay, so you are the blue whale. And what does it eat? What does it eat?
What does it eat?
Ben, you wanted to be the blue whale. What does it eat?
I eat shrimp.
No. Something smaller than shrimp.
I eat plankton.
Very close, not as small.
I eat krill.
Great. Okay, so let's sing with Ben. Ready? Okay. Blue whale, what do you eat? Krill, I eat krill. Good job. Okay. Who wants to be the gray whale?
Can I be the gray whale?
Yes, you can be the gray whale. Here you are. Okay. Let's ask her. What do you eat?
I eat shrimps.
Yes. Wow. Okay, so let's sing with Ellie. Ready? Gray whale, what do you eat? Shrimps, I eat shrimp. Okay, who wants to be the beluga whale?
I would like. I want to be the beluga whale.
There you go, the beluga whale. Great. Okay, and let's ask her. What do you eat?
I eat plankton.
What do you think, Ellie? Plankton?
No.
Look at the mouth on the beluga whale.
Oh, that big.
No, it's not very big. Yeah, it's kind of small.
I eat octopus and fish.
Yes, excellent. Okay, here we go. So,
Beluga whale,
what do you eat?
Fish and octopus, I eat them.
Good, okay. Who Who wants to be the humpback whale?
You.
Me? Okay. I'm gonna be humpback whale, and I ask me.
What do you eat?
I eat plankton. Okay, so sing with me.
Humpback whale, what do you eat?
Plankton, plankton. I eat plankton. Excellent.
Cool.
Enjoy your meal. Lots of seafood.